like to climb the trees, so please do not cut the trees. I speak for the trees. I say, don't cut the trees, please, they help us. Do you like being alive? Remember that trees produce the oxygen that keeps us alive. So don't cut the trees.
Here at Rio Branco Rotary Foundation Schools in Brazil, we have been associated with UNESCO for the past years. We, teachers, have been encouraged by the school headmaster and directors in relation to following the Sustainable Development Goals into our school planning and real life. Our video, The Nature's Cry, is a product that illustrates a bit of everything we have been living in our school.
The name, The Scream of Nature, was inspired by the work of the Polish-born Brazilian artist Franz Krashberg. In this project, we proposed to children the sound and visual representation of nature, divided into 3 moments: denunciation, contemplation, and time for change. In music classes, the students created compositions inspired by the soundscapes of forests being cleared and the ocean pollution. Some of these compositions were the soundtrack of the video. And in order to raise awareness about these environmental problems present in our society and addressing the UNESCO Sustainable Development Goals, Life Below Water and Life on Land, we use the music as one of the languages to convey our message.
The students, by performing the song New World with musical instruments made with recyclable materials, teach us that we must join forces to achieve our goal, to build a better new world.
At the first moment, we made instruments using recyclable objects, researching and create different sounds. At a second moment, we talked about what we wish for a new world. We found a song to represent the theme Novo Mundo, tradition New World, together with the students with the other grades. We produced sounds playing and singing along with the chosen song.
No problem to be different. Diversity is the difference among everybody. Diversity is to be different. People are different. This is diversity.
We are all different. We are unique.
Estão juntos pra voar, sempre unidos, sempre em bando, vão o mundo conquistar.
Society is only built with citizenship.
Natureza, vemos a beleza da união, temos aqui dentro a riqueza de saber que o outro é nosso irmão. Um novo mundo a gente pode agora construir, de amizade o mundo inteiro colorir. Um novo mundo a gente pode agora começar. Juntos nós.
I have a dream that one day
All kids in the world will have the freedom to
study, eat, play, have a house, drink water,
and the responsibility to plant trees, respect help others, and drop litter in the bin.
Novo mundo a gente pode agora construir.
The world is changing by your example, not your opinion.